SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off cellular data on an iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Your iPhone is able to connect to the internet via Wi-Fi networks or cellular networks, but if you have a limited amount of data each month and you've reached that limit, then you might like to turn off cellular data so that your iPhone can only connect to the internet over a Wi-Fi network. You can disable cellular data on your iPhone 15 by opening the Settings app, scrolling down and choosing the cellular option, and then you just need to tap the button to the right of cellular data to turn it off. If you don't want to turn off cellular data for everything, but only for a specific app, then you can make sure that cellular data is turned on, and then you can just scroll down and just tap the button to the right of any app that you don't want to use your cellular data. When the button is in that position, then that app cannot connect to the internet if you're on a cellular network like 5G or LTE.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.